Let's learn the banana dance. It's choreographed by Adam Astmar. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows. So you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn the banana dance. Section 1, you're always going to start on your left foot. We're going to do forward and back mambo steps. So you're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, step back with your right. We're now going to rock back with our left foot, recover onto our right, step your left foot forward. We're now going to do side mambo steps. Rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, step together with your right. Rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your mambos. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a V step. So we're going to step our right foot out into the right diagonal, your left foot into the left diagonal. Step your right foot back center and then step your left next to your right. We're now going to do hip bumps with flips. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side. And as you do that, you're going to bump your hip right, left. And as you put it to the right, you're going to flick your left foot back. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side. You're going to bump your hips left, right. And as we put it to the left, you're going to flip your right foot back. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're doing our V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to do extended shuffles. So So we're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal. Step your left foot next to your right. Step your right foot forward. Step your left foot next to your right. Step your right foot forward. Step your left next to your right. Step your right foot forward. We're now going to do that same thing to the left. So you're stepping your left foot forward into the left diagonal. Step your right foot next to your left. Step your left foot forward. Step your right next to your left. Step your left foot forward. Step your right next to your left. Step your left foot forward. And you want these to just kind of be off center. And if you would like, you can kind of push your hands up every time you step. So it will be right together, right together, right together, right, left together, left together, left together, left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your extended shuffle. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And you want to make these kind of small. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a jazz box quarter turn with a cross. So you're going to cross your right over your left. Make a quarter turn, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Step your right foot to the right side and cross your left over your right. We're now going to step out, and as we step out, we're going to push our hips to the side. So we're going to step to the right, push your hips right. Step to the left, push your hips left. Step to the right, push your hips right. Step to the left, push your hips to the left. And you want this to kind of be in place. You're just switching your weight from foot to foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're doing our jazz box quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your mambo. So it's forward mambo, back mambo, side mambo, we step out, out, in, bump, right, flick, left, flick. Now you're doing your extended shuffles, right together, right together, right together, right, left together, left together, left together, left. Jazz box quarter, turn with a cross step out, hips, right, left, left. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your mambos. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now the dance does end facing the side wall. There's no ending listed, so you can kind of choose. I just did my mambo and kind of looked over my shoulder towards 12 o'clock. You could also turn to the front if you would like. However you would like to end, that choice is yours. As long as you are looking to the front, you're good to go. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our mambo. So it's right mambo, left mambo, side mambo, side mambo. We step out, out, and in. Do your hips. Right, flick. Left, flick. Extended shuffle with the right. Extended shuffle with the left. Jazz box quarter, turn with a cross step out with your hips out, 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 out. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right mambo, left mambo, side mambo, V step out, out and hips. Right, flick, left, flick. Shuffle right together, right together, right together, right. Left together, left together, left together, left. Jazz box quarter, turn with a cross hips, right, left, left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rare demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on the dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn the banana dance. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.